Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I said that if you drop 10 roses, I will make a part 2 of the following coin, which is Pepe, Jasmy, Bonk. And I'm going to make one video talking about why does stop loss don't, sometimes you set a stop loss and it doesn't get taken away. Have you ever wondered why that happens? I'm actually going to make a detailed video and show you. And by the way, do me one favor, just join the Discord, click on the top right of the video for the link and drop a heart. Come to giveaway both, drop a heart. You may not want to get a 15 USDT, but I would actually like to see you on Discord because we kind of have a lot of general conversation going on with people and what they're doing. So it would be good to see you there. It helps a lot, and I like to listen what people are thinking about the market because right now the market is actually pretty fun to talk about once again. So Jasmy has a target probably to 21194. You can see we kind of pumped to 20,000. 21,000 is the target, and I think probably we're still looking for 28,000 because just recently I told you in today's video on the 4-hour time frame we have been successful to create a pennant. You moved up, you made a pennant, break above, came for the retest, and that pennant really takes you up to 2847. And as far as I'm concerned, 14,000 is the dead end. Now there was a small funny behavior with Bitcoin. It kind of wicked down a little bit just to take some stop losses and then continues to the upside. I did know that there was a pennant for 62,000 of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin made it to 64. There, 69,000 is also a technical target on the weekly, to be honest with you. Just like I talked about the pennant, right? And it takes you up. 10 months ago, I was talking about this falling wedge of Bitcoin that it's going to take you to $69,000 on the weekly. Okay, so if you look on the weekly, Bitcoin kind of have this falling wedge. Do you see that? That's the falling wedge, and it takes you back to the all-time high. Now Bitcoin can move to $85,000. Now you may wonder why. I do have a whole detailed analysis on the channel, but this is a rounded bottom for Bitcoin, right? That's a rounded bottom, and if you take that low to the top, it actually takes you up there. It's just very similar to how Jasmy had the same rounded bottom on the 4-hour time frame. If you remember a while ago, we talked about this as well. It was a inverse head and shoulder rounded bottom, and I'm going to show you that one. Okay, so it was this one. Do you remember when I talked about the curve? Boom, 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 and I told you that you're looking for that break. You break above, you came for the retest, and the target was up here to 7,000, and then you just pushed up. So what you see here, this here, is just the very same pattern on Bitcoin, but not on the 4-hour time frame. It's actually on the weekly, and it pushes to $85,000. We're going to see about it, no guarantees, but technically you should be doing that. So right now, as long as you're not coming to 14,695, Jasmy is pretty good to come up here. And on the 1-hour time frame, it looks like you're printing in a new support and resistance. So if you notice this, you have this new support and resistance. So previously you kind of failed to cross it. That got rejected here, came a little bit down, and you jumped off it, came down, took some stop losses, but you can see that you pretty much, the body closed next to that, turning that into support. Resistance here, but now it's turning into support there, and hopefully we still continue to move even higher. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.